So you're about to go through a legal separation or divorce, and you're going, I have no money. There's an income disparity, maybe a huge income disparity between you and the other person that you're going to divorce, and you're the one that's possibly going to be on the short end of that income disparity. Hi, my name is attorney Anthony Spratley. I'm the owner and founder of Genus Law Group here in Albuquerque, New Mexico, where we practice family law. And now you're worried, right, about income disparities because perhaps you did not work throughout the length of your marriage, and the other your other spouse was a primary wage earner during the marriage, and because of that, you're fearful of what's going to happen. You're fearful about your income, your financial security once you file for divorce and post-divorce. And you're concerned about that income disparity because you're wondering, how are you going to be able to survive? How are you going to be able to, if you have children, provide for your children? How are you going to be able to move on to the next phase of your life? So the court addresses this very issue of income disparity in multiple ways. And so one way that they address it is at the time that the divorce is filed. Now, a party can file for what's called an interim support order. And so what the interim support order is for the court to enter an order ordering one party to transfer money to the, less earning party. And if you're not earning anything, usually that money is being transferred to you. Because while the divorce pending, the court has to ensure that both parties are being adequately supported, either financially or otherwise. And so through the interim support order, the court can ensure, because of the income disparity, that one party continues to receive some sort of income during the pendency of the divorce, because that income is still shared income. So you shouldn't have to worry about the other spouse just cutting you off from your personal finances, because you can get a court order to ensure that those payments continue. So what about post-divorce? So you reach some sort of agreement, you have a final decree, and now you have to move on post-divorce with your life. Well, hopefully you negotiated something in your marital settlement agreement, and that's spousal support. Spousal support is usually determined by the court based on some guidelines. And the basic starting point and the premise that everyone uses is, does someone have a need, and does the other party have the ability to pay that other person, right? And so if you were the person that didn't work at all during the marriage, you're not going to have any income, probably not any assets either. And so your needs will probably be greater as well because of that. Plus, you probably don't have any skills. Or if you do have skills, maybe you need to get some retraining done. But anyway, that's the purpose of spousal support, to help either through like some maintenance payments for rehabilitation, maybe some transition spousal support. But because of the disparity in income, you're going to need that extra help to help you post-divorce. Sometimes that help can be for a short period of time, it could be for a long period of time. But through spousal support, it can get you and address the income disparity and get you some income so that you can move on to the next phase of your life. And the other way that the court addresses income disparity is through child support. So again, through your marital settlement agreement as part of your divorce, there may be a child support obligation entered as well, but that income that you're making or not making, and the income that the other person is making, is determined on how much child support should be paid if you have children, to help support the children's needs post-divorce. And so the court addresses income disparity in many ways, either through an interim order, where that order can allocate income to you and also expenses to be continued to be paid during the pendency of the divorce. You can also get spousal support post-divorce as well, based on need and the other party's ability to pay. And that's all driven by numbers and income, what that person earns and what you're earning as well. And then also through child support. Oh, one other point I just want to make just briefly. Oftentimes when a person goes to meet with an attorney and they do not have the income or like a credit card or something like that to put money down to retain an attorney, oftentimes an attorney can draft a motion for an advancement of attorney's fees where because of the income disparity, you can get the other party possibly to pay for your attorney's fees throughout the pendency of the divorce. And again, you have to show that income disparity, you have to show that to the court and prove the income disparity so that you can get the assistance from the court to order the other party to pay your attorney's fees as well. All right, folks, that's all I have. If you want more information about content like this or other family law content, just go to our website at www.genuslawgrp.com. You can also get this content at our Protect Your Success podcast at Apple Podcasts. All right, folks, have a great day, and we'll see you next time.